Welcome to another hotel review here at the Bangkok Marriott Hotel. It is gorgeous. Really convenient hotel. Perfect location. Here's our room right at the end of the hallway. W Hotel. Room 22308. As you walk in, it's just a wall right here. But then you got this grand, nice entrance. Beautiful mirror right here. Bedrooms over there. Your bathroom to your right. Huge bathroom. Beautiful countertops. Nice quartz countertop above the counter, and beautiful mirror, LED. Got some nice hot tub here. Oh wow, it's a jet too. Oh no jet, but you got a nice little mirror here. Your own separate water closet. It's got a little bidet, a little spray bottle there. And I got some outlets down here, got a couple towels. You get some, a couple waters, cups, Kleenex. The brand is Nourish Skin Cream, Body Cream. Get some little goodies in here too as well. Some shaving kits. Get some other stuff. What is this? A vanity kit. Okay. Couple toothbrushes. Always nice. I don't know why hotels just don't give you any, you know? They do, obviously. And where's the shower? Oh, there's two. What? Hold on, I'm confused. What? Oh, there's a mirror. Oh, the shower's over here. That's weird. So the shower's over here. Got the raindrop ceilings. And you got the brand here, which is just regular Thon brand. All right, let's go back here. Actually, there is a closet right underneath here, and hopefully it comes with some slippers. Comes with a robe. I love me some slippers. Oh yeah, it does. The slippers. Yes, let's see what they look like. Each Marriott comes with it, so. Oh, it doesn't have the signature. It doesn't have the signature on it though. The other Marriott had the signature Marriott on there. And then you get some safe, of course. Get some more buffing your shoe. Wow, dry cleaning. That's it. And a backup plan. Oh, backup toilet paper. Huh, funny. And a flashlight, I imagine, right? Cool. A lot of hotels are doing that now, flashlights. But a robe, iron, of course. And that's it. And then you got the grand entrance here. Very spacious, high ceilings. I want to say maybe 9 foot. No, there's 9 foot ceilings. Got a nice, beautiful bar right here. Got some goodies here for you. Obviously, these are not complimentary, but all kinds of drinks right there. Beautiful bar. You got some beer right here. You got the Chang beer, the Shanghai beer. Or a little couple sodas for you. 2 beds, nice. Double beds, and it come with this rose gold iced tea where we landed, which is really nice. A mask, sanitizer. Here's what the phone looks like. Here's the view from the desk. You can trade some stocks or whatever you want to do right here. Do some work. These are what the outlets look like. All right, and here are some of the restaurants there. The kitchen table, the wool bar, the wet deck, in-room dining, away spa. Very elegant hotel. Got a couple envelopes, some notepads. Really cool. What is this? Oh, I got some pens here for you. Some paper clips, rubber bands. Wow, water's throughout here. Wow. Beautiful lamp. Look at this view. It's gorgeous. Let me just show you guys a little view there. Got a couple more outlets here. You actually have, I'm not sure what outlet that is, but you got the RGB, HDMI, and the RCA plugs. Nice TV. And we got our luggage coming in. And you got the cups, pen, Mentos. Got free drinks. Yeah, and then it comes with these iPad things you can take with you, so you don't have to buy a SIM card. You can message each other or whatever somehow. because it already has connection or something. I forgot how it works, but basically you don't need a cell phone because you can just use this and text and look for maps and whatever, what have you. And it controls the light apparently too. Message, lighting, do not disturb, definitely on. Control the AC here too, crazy. Oh man, it's too bright. Control the AC, like the home. Cool, welcome. This is everything you want to know. Got a welcome package, stay connected, cocktail services, restaurant and lounge information, spa and beauty, essentials, transportation, wake-up calls. Check out this view, folks. This is nice. It's beautiful. Got some cookies. Look at that. Thank you for choosing to stay with us. We hope you have an enjoyable time. If you need anything, whatever you want, whenever you want. Jason Hotel. Thank you, Jason. Look, some cookies, some chocolate. All right, and then of course the view you got from here. Wow. Another view here. This is a little better because we're more in the city now. When we're still in the city, it was like more midtown central area of Bangkok, right next to the BTS station, as you can see right there, literally across the street from it, and the main little roads down there as well. Nice, beautiful view. Wow.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.